In today's episode, we continue on in the series that we're calling our latitude adjustment. This week finds us on the tropical island of Aruba. As we explained in earlier episodes, we're avoiding those winter doldrums by crisscrossing the Caribbean. We'll be hiking and paddling and diving as many of the islands as we can. A change in latitude and attitude could be just what we need. If you caught our last episode, we were exploring the reefs off Curacao. Now, we've traveled to the island right next door. We only had to travel 70 miles and now find ourselves in Oranjestad, Aruba. Aruba is a constituent country of the Kingdom of the Netherlands, and it's physically located in the southern Caribbean Sea. It's about 50 miles west of Curacao and only 20 miles north of Venezuela. It's sunny and warm here year-round and has some pretty nice dive sites. Today my buddy Brian and I will be diving on two World War II wrecks, the Antilla and the Pedernales. And here's a map of the island. The first dive will be on the German freighter Antilla. The wreck is located right there, and here's a couple of photos of her. At 400 feet, this is the second largest wreck in the Caribbean. When German forces invaded Holland in 1940, the Dutch government ordered all German merchant vessels in the Dutch Antilles to be confiscated. Rather than letting the ship pass into Allied hands, the Antilla's German crew scuttled her here off Aruba. The crew set fires throughout the ship and opened seacocks to flood her. Today, she sits in about 60 feet of water. This really is a fascinating wreck to explore, and we'll show you some of what we witnessed down there. And interestingly, our dive guide Carl was German, but he decried all responsibility for the shipwreck, making it clear that he wasn't born yet during the ship's sinking. Our second dive was just a short distance away on the oil tanker Pedernales, and here's a great photo of her. Unlike the purpose-sunk wrecks we usually dive on, the Pedernales is a literal shipwreck, and it also went to the bottom during World War II action. In 1942, the war really hadn't come to Aruba yet. The Pedernales was anchored just off Aruba's busy oil refinery. However, U-Boat 156 was sent to disrupt operations there. On January 19th, the Pedernales was targeted and a single torpedo sunk her, killing 8 crewmen. The U-boat then decided to shell the refinery with its deck gun, but forgot to remove its safety cap. This caused the gun to explode and also caused the gun officer's foot to disappear. Ouch. U-Boat 156 then raced off with the refinery undamaged. Our young dive master Carl also denied any responsibility for this sinking. This is what we found downstairs. As you'll see, fish love this wreck. And those were our dives on Aruba's wartime wrecks. Thanks for coming along with us. So what's up next? In the next episode, the ROUS channel is heading to Barbados for more underwater exploration. We've heard great things about this pretty Atlantic island and want to check it out. If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks again, and we'll join you soon for more videos of the two of us exploring the wonderful world that's around us. We'll see you next time from Barbados, when our latitudes and attitudes get some needed adjusting.